Wait.
उससे नहीं आता अंदर से.
No, wait. So all of us are gonna say something. But then she'll. Okay, you're taking it. Forget it. Start. Hi, Sanaya. You're going to America. Okay, so this is sort of a compilation of videos that you're gonna see, which all of us have made. And if you don't like it, you can screw Udyani because that's her idea. Yes, that's her idea. Okay, now go. Okay, so let's begin with. We've been through so much together. You can't deny that, and I'm so glad. I'm so glad we could put everything past us because I really missed all of us being together. Shut up. Okay. I think we really wasted a lot of time avoiding each other, which was lame. And now you're already leaving, so yeah, okay. Anyways, all the times that we spent together were really amazing, be it FC or frames or our sleepovers, and we'll miss your projectile whistle. It didn't come. Do it again. Your projectile whistle and your perverted jokes, you do not get to blame them on Neil. Okay, you are perverted. Okay, and your creepy theories about places being haunted. My house is not haunted. Okay, and that picture of us 10th standard mein you and me. Shut. Hey, give that. That was a really big deal. Okay, I'm going to treasure that. And please come back soon. I know it's next year, but come back soon. I'm not playing table tennis with these idiots. Okay, you know how they play. And don't forget us. Go get lost.
Hi Sanaya. So basically this is just a combination of videos just as a farewell gift for you. And even though I've known you only for a year, dude, I'm gonna miss you so much. I mean, the times we've spent together, especially in Goa and all the football tournaments, it's been so great. And you're such a great player and such a great friend. And you know, we've had so many amazing memories, like the time we sneaked out at night and then entering your house and all the scary stories at your place, and especially the time you fell in FC. Oh my god, I am going to laugh on that for my entire life. And plus the time you fell in the canteen, oh god, dude, I wish I was there to see that. I would have laughed my head off. And basically, yeah, I'm just gonna miss you a lot. So please keep in touch, keep on texting us even though you're in the US and life is really cool and busy for you. And yeah, so hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi Sanaya. The first time I met you was in Cafe Chocolate. You were wearing shorts and you know you had sexy legs back then also, and even today you have them. After practicals we used to go to your place to have hot pancakes. That's the only thing I actually missed when we were not talking, and I'm gonna miss it a lot.
It's true.
And I'm gonna miss it a lot. You're going to America, the place where you can have beef. You remember I had got beef noodles for you
From
noodles from Phuket, and your mom had actually asked me to go and keep it outside. You people didn't even touch it. You're pure vegetarian or something. Okay.
Our house is pure vegetarian.
Your house is pure vegetarian, and you're going to a place where you're finally going home.
Basically.
You're basically finally going home. The place where people can understand you better than us.
Don't forget us.
Don't forget us. Bye. Stop it.
She's crying.
Keep 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so this is a message from Shreya. She couldn't
Properly.
start over. Started? Okay, so this is a message from Shreya, and she couldn't send a video, so I'm gonna read it out to you.
And she's reading because you know if I read, I'll add a few stupid stuff in
Which
that
you won't
and
understand.
And if Udyani reads it, it's like someone's dead or something.
Yeah, so I'm like the best option you've got. Okay, so indirect speech, quoting Shreya. Dear Sanaya, I never thought I'd be friends with you one day. Haha. But I'm glad I got to know you. You're one of the nicest people I ever know. Your straightforwardness is something to vouch for. I will miss our intellectual debates. Haha. I hope you have an amazing time in USA. Wish you all the success and please try to be in touch with us.
And the thing is, I want to add something.
हो गया?
I want to add something. And even if you're not in touch with us, be in touch with Dhyani. You know she has a very big mouth.
We will get to know what you're
Whatever
doing.
you're doing over there. Each and everything in detail.
Detail.
Yeah.
Time lapse.
Started.
Fine. Hi. So I'm gonna just tell you everything. Our journey together in a time lapse. Like 8th standard, I poked you. We became friends. 9th standard, I really don't remember. So sorry. 10th standard, you introduced me to Wattpad with A&D. Then Justin Bieber. I think One Direction came later. Sorry for the interruption. Nikita had called.
It's a continuation?
Yeah, it's a continuation. Planning everybody's. Oh yeah, we planned everybody's birthday for which you did not come. No, for the preparation you did not come. You came for the party. You ate. You paid also. So yeah. Then remember our late night rides with Nikita, Rushil, Nimita. Basically everyone except these two. The kutta part. Then the Nikita's fuck. Then don't forget our threesome group. You know what that is. I'm not explaining in front of these two.
We know what that is.
No,
We
you
know
don't.
it.
Oh, you don't know what happens in it then.
Obviously.
Then comes Cummins, football, Goa, bunking, dragging you in class, which was decent. Then what else?
These 2 weeks have been.
Oh yeah, no wait. Thank you for being my stress reliever. I call you every day during the exams. Then last 2 weeks have been really crazy. The pranks, the 5 pubs, your first shot. You convinced me my house is haunted. That's what these people say.
Yeah, she can't stay up
Yeah,
past
okay.
3 a.m.
My video, let me speak. I can't stay awake after
Past
3 a.m. in
3
this house. I really can't. It's very scary. Then what else is there?
Your
Well,
video
there have been
sucks.
so many memories that I can't put into words. But bye, have a safe journey and come back soon. And find me a Harry Styles from there, please.
Okay, time to do Shania.
Shania. Ta-ta.
Don't ever change. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, lots of virtual hugs and kisses for you, Sanaya. Hope you'll never change. Never ever change.
Bye.
Hi Sanaya. I don't know what to say. All the best. Come back soon. And remember that I cried. Yeah. I hope you get that internship though. I really don't know what to say, but take care of yourself and don't forget to send me a lot of pictures of the US because I want to go there so badly and you're going. Don't forget any of us, otherwise Sanaya, you are screwed. Don't forget any of us at all. Bye and take care and don't forget us at all, Sanaya, or you are really very screwed. You're badly screwed then. All the best to you. My god, I'm gonna cry again. I'll switch off the video before I start crying again. Bye, Sanaya.
Bolna.
You saying na?
Ha, okay, so now you'll see a video by Neil. So first of all, be prepared for that. And this video is only supposed to be heard and not watched, okay, because audio video not matching. So yeah, here you go.
Firstly, why the hell are you going to the US? Like, why can't you just stay here and have hell lot of sausages, cream rolls, ice creams, donuts? You know exactly what I mean. Or maybe just keep trying your luck on Rishabh Lala. Like 6 months ago, I used to think there's a hell lot of time for you to leave. But then, you know, time passes by really fast and here we are. I clearly remember our first meeting when, you know, you completely chose to ignore me when I asked you for this debate competition. Little did you know that there was a great, potential great friend standing in front of you. But, you were lucky enough that you got to know me even after that. and we turned out to be a really good friends. And then I have been a part of all your stupid pranks. Firstly, like maybe may it have been like sticking coins on the road, or putting toothpaste in the biscuits and giving it to the guys. These two are the ones I remember. And then, you were also my practical partner. Yes, the thing that annoyed me the most was that you coming to the physics and electronics practical without having a bath. Like, I used to be like, Sanaya, get a bath. Like, please, Sanaya, get a bath. But then, after a year after passing out from FC, I really miss those moments, Even if you were without a bath, we had a lot of fun in those practicals. Like whenever we used to get like a boring physics practical, you used to spoil TVD for me. Yeah, in 12th standard, I clearly remember that. And then our teacher used to go hell lot of crazy on us. But then that was fun, and I really miss that now. You have been a part of all of my relationships. Like the most disastrous relationship I had till date was in 11th standard. You clearly know about that. And then you were the one who opened my eyes. You helped me to get over it, and helped me to grab the spoon. And that's the reason why, like, you're one of those few people whom, if I have to ask, like, to get a good girl for me, the perfect one, I know you would get it. Like, I have that much trust on you. Now, even if you're going to the US, I don't think anything is going to change between us. Like, I'm going to be the same crazy, stupid person, the same perverted person, if you may call.
She's gonna miss you.
Hi Sanaya. Dude, I cannot believe you are going away. Like literally going away. We'll be out of India. You're the first person from the group to actually go away for studies, and I'm going to miss you. I'm sure everyone is going to miss you. And I'm going to miss all the sleepovers, all the amazing fun we've had together. And I want to tell you that you've been an amazing friend. I hope you come back very, very soon. And I hope you don't settle abroad. Please. And yeah, I'm going to miss you, man. Seriously, come back fast, okay? Bye.
Sorry, Nikita, but she is settling abroad.
Babaji ka thallu.
You are going away, like literally going away.
Hi Sanaya, this video is something to remember me by. I've known you hardly for a year, but I think that was enough to know what a wonderful friend you are. And I'm sure we're going to be friends like forever. You're going to be attending my wedding and I'm going to be attending yours. So yeah, I'm sure about it. And we've made such amazing memories, such unforgettable memories, and I'm going to cherish them like forever. All the memories were like so crazy and so amazing. Like especially the sleepover, you guys like scared the hell out of me, and I believed you people like an idiot, and I don't think I could sleep for at least a week after that. Then the Gandhar time, we made canopies and donuts in your garage, which was so nice of your mother and you, that you let us, make a mess in your garage. And I think that is one really good quality about you, that you never hesitate to take initiative and help someone. Then the recent night out that we had, where we kept going round and round Vaishali, and then took all the haunted places, and then when Dive showed me the scary pic, you guys you especially recorded me screaming and sent it to your friend, which is very annoying by the way, but I think it was totally worth it. And in the prank calls, I mean, what shit, as in either let it be the prank call that you made to scare me, or the prank call that we made together. I mean, they all were like I didn't know I was that crazy. So yeah, I'm going to miss you. I'm going to miss you a lot. We've made such amazing memories, and I'm going to cherish them like for the rest of my life. You're going to be completely occupied and busy in US, I understand, but all I want to say is make time for us. Text us, Snapchat. Please download Snapchat so that we can stay in touch. And I wish you the success of the whole world. Just let them know what a wonderful person you are. So yeah, I'm gonna miss you. Bye, take care.